This Kitchen Kid was filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Yo dudes, welcome to
Kitchen Kid!
In this
Totally awesome
show
we make radical food. So we've got to introduce ourselves. We are Fairfield Community Primary School Year 4 children. Today we are going to be cooking yummy cous-cous.
There better not be any cooking going on in here.
No sir!
Good, we've got serious learning to do.
Carefully sprinkle the cous-cous into a bowl. Next, pour hard frozen peas onto your cous-cous. Our chicken couscous contains a variety of rainbow colours. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it! For example, peas, which are green, can help teeth, bones and eyes. I'm watching you dudes. Now cover one chicken stock and sprinkle it all around. And now cover the food with hot water and leave for 5 minutes. We cover with hot water so the couscous and peas can cook.
quickly tear the chicken into bite-sized pieces. We add the chicken to make it as nice as possible. Yo, chicken!
The protein in our meal helps bones, muscles and cells grow and heal.
Next, chop your tomatoes into quarters. This dish contains the right fat. Then add a glug of olive oil to season and add some flair. Drizzle a little lemon juice. Don't add too much. If you do, it'll taste totally bitter.
Where can sugar be found in a recipe? In the tomatoes or the peas, but it's not very much though.
Awesome. Will they impress the judges with the cous-cous mix? Hoot hoot. Let's find out. Today's judges were looking for an incredibly healthy, quick dish.
My mouth was totally watering. I really did love that truly delectable chicken couscous. Especially the juicy cherry tomatoes.
Cool.
So there was cooking going on. In my school? How very dare you? It's very good. Never mind.
That's all we have time for today.